Last night we were out and we did some laundry. And after paying for all the coins to put into the washers and dryers, had a little bit of money left over. So I picked up a bottle of Creek Rye. And I'm going to try it now. It's bottled at 100 proof. It's 50% alcohol by volume. Should be good. Let's see how it measures up to other ryes. Well, the pop sounds good. Oh, it looks like a synthetic plastic cork. Interesting. I haven't had Knob Creek in a while, of any kind. I was looking for the bourbon. When I saw the rye on the shelf, I thought, this might be nice. Now, I'm using a little dessert wine glass because all the Glencairn glasses are dirty. I haven't done the dishes yet. Let's cleanse the palate. I have had a couple other things to drink already. It's pretty neutral on the nose. That's probably because the high alcohol content acts once again as an anesthetic and kills the scent receptors in the nose. There it is. Oh, this is fine stuff. It has a lot of that rye flavor without biting too much. It's very, very smooth. Just taste the rye and it goes down. Butterscotch, lots of butterscotch. Oh yes, I like this stuff. Lots of butterscotch, caramel. It's a little less vanilla, but there's a lot of butterscotch flavor. It has that little minty rye kind of tang to it. Oh, this was a good choice. I like it. Have some more water here. Yes. I haven't had their bourbon either in a while, but this rye, oh, this is one of the nicest ryes there is. It's almost buttery in the mouthfeel, and a little thick, probably because of the 50% alcohol content. It's got relatively long legs. Oh yeah, they just stick there to the side of the glass. Yeah, we got ourselves another winner right here.
Food Quig.
Food Quig.
Food Quig.
Food Quig.
Food Quig.
Yeah.